Today we are going to be making, you guessed it, slime. We can say that. Okay. If you can guess what kind, it's fluffy with some red glitter and stapler. Let's get started. Now, subscribe, like, and yeah, do all that stuff. And put on the notifications. Ew. Okay, that's good. A little bit more. That's good. Beep, 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 beep. I'm just gonna mix it. So runny. Get the food coloring. I forgot the food coloring. I forgot. No! Something simple, just as yellow as red glitter. Something not as simple as just yellow. Isak says hi.
Say Isaac.
Okay, fine. Like orange. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. I don't have any scents. That's the thing that sucks. I thought you were Isaac. So runny. It's time to add some glitter. Ooh, that's pretty. Maybe a little more. But the sheen is gonna make it lighter, make the color lighter. And oh wait, it actually really did it. That hurt! Ginger! Isak, that hurt!
I nailed you. Okay.
Oh, he shot me with the Nerf gun.
Well, you can't shoot her with the Nerf gun, though.
Alright, I'm done calling you Isak. Don't do that. It's mean. Ginger!
Isaac!
glitter's hiding. Next, into empathy. I'm just gonna put that. Stay low, stay low, stay low. No, that's okay. Oh.
She must have changed entertainment. Ginger, sit down. Sit down. Get up
This activates very weird.
Sit down. Stop chasing your tail. Pajamas don't go there, Isaac.
Ew. I have to knead it. Stirring for me. Your shadow's scaring me. Yours. Maybe I should pour some of this out. It's perfect. You feel so weird. You. Feels so weird.
It looks weird.
It feels weird. It's because you have to knead it. And
It's like mustard. It's like baby poop. That's what Deja's poop used to look like when she was...
TMI! Camera's on.
Sorry.
Right. I think that's after it too much. But it's a nice slime. Very nice slime. Very nice. And if you guys are wondering why I'm wearing a hat, it's because my hair is a hot mess. This slime is actually better than the blue slime that I did in another video. If you didn't see that blue slime video, go check it out. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow. Now it's time to make a whipping. See, no glitter is on my hands because I put the glitter in before. It's because I put the glitter in the slime when I was making it, and then instead of, and if I went with this right now, it would be all over the table. It's very small slime. Oh, it's green. it's time to get the extras out of the bowl. Alright. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And comment down below which slime you want to see next. Alright, that's it. Alright, see you guys next time. Bye!